Okay, one rock, one strategic rock. I just pried up, used my putty knife, and I used a thin rock, and I was able to get it over the top of that other rock. Remember I showed you there was a rock there? I tilted that up, and that just pushed it tight. And I tapped it in with my hammer sideways, and then full on. And that just pushed it over here and up there. See there? That's all you got to do. Different things like that. This is not going to get any tighter because this brick sticks out further. See, these bricks stick out further than these two. These two could have been pushed that way a little bit more when they were installing them, but you see, you're not gonna get everything 100% perfect. You know. In fact, I don't know. I might be able to get. Yeah. See, I could get that over. See, as I'm pushing on that, I just put another rock right there. See how that's moving? See? And I didn't think I could initially because it was tight here, and I thought, I'm just going to leave it. But since I've done everything else, I might as well go the extra mile and fix that one too.